why this sunscreen is not in a hype.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's topic is all about sunscreens. So I have to share with you amazing things which you might know or not know about sunscreens. So first of all, why do we need sunscreen? So sunscreen are very important parts of our lives these days. और हम सबको अभी बहुत सी अवेयरनेस हो गई है, बट बहुत सौ को जिनको अवेयरनेस नहीं है, दिस वीडियो इज़ फॉर देम. सो sunscreen protects us from UVA and UVB, which are rays coming from the sun, and there are other sources for which even at home we should use sunscreen. The reason are lights. हमें आजकल लाइट्स के वजह से भी, इवन टीवी से भी जो रेज आते हैं उससे भी हमारी स्किन टैन, ब्लूट एंड बर्न आउट अंदर से होती है, बहुत से टिश्यूज. सो सनस्क्रीन हमें उससे प्रोटेक्ट करता है. सो आई विल से यू व्हाट इज the SPF. So for an example, it is SPF 10 to 15. अगर वो लिखा हो तो बहुत से लोगों को पहले ऐसा मिसकंसेप्शन था कि इट मीन्स लाइक 10 to 15 आवर्स और 10 to 15 एज तक के लोग इसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ 10 to 15 यानी कि 150 minutes. So after 150 minutes, you have to reapply the sunscreen again. It means that. So I have to share with you sunscreen which I just don't know कि इतनी हाइप में क्यों नहीं है अभी. So let's see.
I don't know why this sunscreen is not in a hype.
Like this.
This is Conscious Chemist Sun Drink Hybrid Gel Non-Greasy Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++ Broad Spectrum UVA and UVB. वहाँ पे लिखा होता है UVA और UVB, सो इट्स प्रोटेक्टिंग यू फ्रॉम बोथ दिस. बहुत से सनस्क्रीन इन दोनों का प्रोटेक्शन हमें नहीं देते. जैसे कि यहाँ पे लिखा है SPF 50 PA. It means it will be working for 5000 minutes, but later on again you have to reapply it. Ceramide complex, milk thistle extract, olive squalene. So it's for all skin types. It's having 50 gram and it's for 599 rupees. It's actually costly, but one thing which I have to share with you about this sunscreen is, and I just don't know कि इतनी famous क्यों नहीं है, या जैसे बहुत से brands हैं जिनको famous नहीं होना चाहिए but still they are so famous for like the sunscreens, and why this is not I just don't know, as it's too costly like 599 so or what something, but it really helps. ये it is no white cast living on your skin. Your skin doesn't get that chippy look on the face, on mirror, on your skin feel, nothing. And it gives the natural glow without even saying, guys. बहुत से बोलते हैं it gives glow and it actually does nothing. बहुत से तो डर भी हो जाते हैं. If you want a review on that where I'm sharing with you the reviews of the sunscreen, so let me know. But this sunscreen is actually worth buying. And I just love this sunscreen. I just don't know why it's not in a hype, but that's something really amazing. So I thought to share with you because बहुत से लोगों को सनस्क्रीन के बारे में ज़्यादातर नहीं पता, और जिनको भी पता है, so this is for them. And this sunscreen is must try, and I don't know why this is not a hype. So guys, I hope you have loved the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such updates.